Blossoms in Unity, a Panagbenga Tale by Rocky James G. Sarasua. It was that magical and blossoming time of the year again, where the city bursts into kaleidoscope and the people from many parts of the world come to witness the spectacular parade of colors, blossoms, culture, and unity, the start of the Panagbenga Festival.
Panagbenga means a season of blossoming, a time for flowering,
explained Ethan with a grin as they walked towards Session Road.
It's a special time for our city.
The streets were alive, buzzing with color and music as the locals and foreigners joined the parade of elementary school kids wearing floral sweatshirts in a cold as ice weather, sometimes drizzling, sometimes not. The fresh blooms from the gardens of Baguio City mingles with the crisp February air. Children from all over the region rode in on old colorful jeepneys ornamented with flowers and other symbols of the place, their faces painted with excitement. Katya and Ethan cheered as they watched the vibrant floats made of different flowers and festival dancers pass by. Anthuriums, chrysanthemums, astrobelias, orchids, mums, roses, and Baguio's original flower, everlasting, are some of the flowers in blooms used as ornaments in the parade, representing the diverse floral reserve of Baguio City. As the parade reached the Panagbenga Park Harrison Road Baguio Athletic Bowl Session Road, the excitement grew. The dancers showcased their talents in a street dancing competition, moving to the rhythm of traditional music combined with street dance music that is inspired by the Bindian, an Ibaloy dance of celebration that came from the Cordilleras. Dancers clad in flower-inspired costumes, and Katya couldn't help but dance along, feeling the energy and unity of the festival.
The costumes are amazing. The colors and flowers are feasting my eyes,
Katya shared excitingly. Ethan couldn't resist the rhythm of the street dance and soon found himself moving in time with the beat, his feet tapping and body swaying to the lively music. After the parade, Katya and Ethan decided to explore Burnham Park, where more festivities awaited. They marveled at the flower arrangements and took part in art workshops, learning about the importance of nature and creativity. Activities celebrated throughout the month included a landscape competition and cultural shows, and more food trips.
My mama always finds the best deals at the night market,
Katya said with a nostalgic smile.
We have a knack for ukay-ukay.
Ethan laughed, handing her a bouquet of colorful blooms.
We really are lucky to be part of Panagbenga. It's more than just a flower festival. It's a celebration of our community spirit.
Katya nodded, her heart filled with pride for their city and gratitude for Ethan.
Panagbenga reminds us of our resilience and strength, rising up from challenges like the earthquake. It's a time for unity and national pride.
As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the park, Katya and Ethan sat by the lake, reflecting on their day of adventure and camaraderie. They knew that Panagbenga had taught them valuable lessons about industry, patriotism, and the beauty of diversity. With smiles on their faces, they whispered a promise to each other.
Until next Panagbenga, let's keep our hearts blooming with love and unity.